mystery tackle box, month of June. Let's go ahead and dig inside of it and see what's going on. So like always, catch a win program, catch a fish on some of these baits, take a picture of it on there, send it to Instagram with the hashtag MTBKeeper, and you can win some prizes. I'm on Instagram every day. They pick somebody every single week. They get some cool stuff. So if you guys get this box, take advantage of that. So let's dig in here and find the bait card with the what's inside your box. So this month we're going to start off with we're going to go right in order. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in this month's box. I think the reason is because the first one that I'm getting ready to show you is a $16 lure. So let's go ahead and start off with that one. That is a Lucky Craft Gunfish. Looks like top water stick bait, walking bait, Lucky Craft, made in Japan, top notch stuff, top quality stuff. This one's called the Archer Bee. Called the Archer Bee, that's why it's black and yellow. Lucky Craft's always got good hooks. Super sticky. It's got glitter on the bottom, good eyes, nice little paint scheme. Let you guys get a good look at that. It's got some rattles in it. That retails for $15.99. It's a top water bait. We don't really give you any information other than it's a 4-inch, 3/8 ounce Archer Bee and the Gunfish model. It's a Gunfish model lure, but that color is the Archer Bee. There's lure number 1. Next we've got the Lucky John Pilot. Here's that guy. Pretty sure Lucky John's made in China. Alright, here we go. It's a size 65, weighs 19 grams, and it goes 0 to 2.5 meters, which I think should be somewhere around 6 feet. So that's a really solid bait. Got some big rattles in it. It's got like a spaded bill on it. Don't really give a color. This is a mystery tackle box exclusive. There that guy is. And that dude retails for $8.99. Lucky John Pilot. So right there you have $23 in those 2 baits. It's a $25 box. So basically whatever's left in here, pretty much got it for free. Up next we got Biospawn Vile Crawl. So it's blue, black with blue flake in it. It's got some bodacious lips on the claws of this crawl, which will give it a real good action. Biospawn black blue flake Vile Crawl. That goes for $3.59 a bag. That's a 4-pack bag. Next we have an Optimum Original Swim Bait. It's the Ghost Minnow. It says number 565 Ghost Minnow. 3.5, so I'm guessing it's 3.5 inches, 5/8 of an ounce. It's pretty heavy for being a little bait like that. Let's get it out and see how it feels. Okay, looks like a hand poured bait. No stink, just smells like rubber. It's got a pretty good hook in it. So it's basically just a lead-headed swim bait. That bad boy goes for $9. $9 for that one little lure. I hope it's a fish catcher. I'll throw it, so we'll find out. Next, we've got Liquid Mayhem Fish Attractant. Liquid Mayhem, no fish can resist. Shad scent, made with real shad. So it's a little 30 milliliter tube. So some bait attractant. Smells like straight up fish food, like super strong fish food. So there's that. That goes for $5 a tube. And then last on the list, we've got the Lunker City Sluggo. It's a 4.5 inch Sluggo. This is called the Gold Phantom. Oh, they're super slimy. They got some sort of oil on them. I can see it on my fingers. This is the Baby Sluggo. As you can see, skinny on one end, fat on the other. It's jointed in the middle, so I don't know if that's supposed to be fished like a wacky or maybe on a Ned rig. When I first look at something like this, the very first thing I think of is drop shot. That's just, to me, that would be something I would throw on a drop shot, but it'd probably work on something else. Maybe a scrounger head, or with that joint in there, that double joint, I wouldn't hesitate to put that on a spinnerbait or a jig, swim jig. So those go for $2.60 for a 4-pack. So you got the Lucky Craft Gunfish, Lucky John Pilot, Biospawn Biocrawl, the Optimum Swim Bait, the Fish Attractant, and the Lunker City Sluggo. And I think this retails for a little over $45. I'll put that right here. And then last in the box, oh yeah, got an American flag sticker. It's got hooks instead of stars. It's got little lures in the stripes. I don't know what says America more than that. So that boy is probably going to make its way onto my kayak. So that wraps up this month's box. I know it seems kind of short, but money-wise, like always, we're ahead here. So instead of the typical, 8 to 10 items in the box, we got 6. But a couple of the baits are pretty expensive. If you're not familiar with Mystery Tackle Box is a monthly subscription. You pay $25 a month for this box. This is the Pro Box. You can get a typical box, which I think is $15, I'm wanting to say. There's a bunch of promo codes out there on big time YouTubers that you can get your very first box for a fraction of that cost. And then it's a monthly subscription, so you can get it every single month. Just let it go and it'll show up. Or if you want to switch it to a different species, you can. Or if you want to just shut it down, you can. There's no obligations. So go check them out. I highly recommend this box. This box right here will get you out of your comfortability realm and get you throwing some things that you probably typically wouldn't throw, because you probably typically wouldn't spend $16 on one lure. At least I wouldn't. But since I got it in this box, I'm going to throw it. So go down, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Make sure you share. Make sure you leave some comments for me. I love the comments. I love interacting with you guys. And like always, say F it and get outdoors. Guaranteed it'll be a lot better than sitting inside doing nothing. See ya.